All right, we're in beautiful Washington Township, Michigan. See how these houses are super high right here? I mean, elevations are great. All that water works its way towards these homes. And it's not necessarily surface water. When water is absorbed and traveling through the subsurface, so you can see the giant pond. Pretty good sized pond. This yard, as you go downhill, gets so bad. There's all kinds of pipes in here already. The homeowner, I got to give him credit. Boy, he really, he dug these ditches. He dug these trenches to get the water to drain to the pond. You know, that's how bad things are here. Now that I'm down this low, you can see just how muddy everything is. It's really bad. So the only way to handle this big of area is with two drains. There has to be two drains to handle a situation like this. So his yard, there's some contour right here. So we know we want to be right in the center there and coming down with one of the drains. Then this is really flat over here and it's a mess. So we're able to utilize the trench he dug. We want to run this in 6-inch. Because of how soft this is, and they're going to be using giant lawnmowers, big tractors, cutting these big yards, we need 6-inch. We're going to use the Boffman Virgin Yellow, with the big inlets. This is going to be 160 feet. Some grade work to do here. So all the water ends up just making this a mess. We got to get a drain in there. That's a good collection point. And then we got to just pick up all this water over here. And then tie the two drains together on a diagonal towards the pond. That'll help drain this yard. Help this man with his situation. I want to talk about subsurface water. I want to talk about what happens when you have natural springs in your yard. When you end up with a natural spring in your yard, this has nothing to do with runoff from the rain. It has nothing to do with runoff from the neighbors. It's where water has decided to come up, water that's under a great deal of pressure underground. As that pressure builds, the water finds a path of least resistance. And believe it or not, sometimes that happens to be up. So we see this a lot. We see springs in people's yards where we're having to put in a monster system because this is going to flow all year. This will flow 365 days out of the year. We're talking about 24/7. It never shuts off.